Good morning, everybody. Tell me that's not an enjoyable sight. I don't have my shoes on. I'm not going out in the gravel. Go right here. It's about all I can take without my shoes on. But I think it's a pretty good view. Been working on all the plants today. Trying to get off this gravel. Ow. Making the homemade weed killer, which is a teaspoon of Dawn detergent. It's like, I think 3 cups of vinegar and a half a cup of salt. And it's really knocked these down. They were bright green, so today I'll do another batch. We got a lot of rain yesterday, so it didn't stick as well as I'd hoped. But definitely this was all bright green here, so I'll do another batch today. Still got rocks stuck to my feet. All right, here you go. Can you imagine drinking your coffee here in the morning? The only thing I can hear personally right now is my dryer is running and the stream that's over here to the right. Oh, somebody's out for their morning walk. I can hear them. That's about it. I was out here looking for deer. Joseph saw a bunch. It was 2 days ago. All right, y'all have a good day.